Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon a beat, and it can see on the screen. The thief them is living life, my people. The thief them is living life. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because this is the awesome question and many others that people is talking about Markie Markland and fame real estate fraud cases, I say. But me want to kick it off with Paparazzi Apple, because you know fair case and husband J Icon case is coming to an end, my people. They're going to be sentenced January 30th for this Lululemon thing. And it seems like they have been found guilty, to be honest with you, because when I go on the court website, as you can see in front of you, it says disposition and it says convicted. Put in the comment section what that mean, because me think it means them get convicted. I don't know if they pled guilty or not, because you know the hearing before this was a plea hearing. Say, as you know, they've been charged for retail organized theft as a team and not individual. I think that was a bad idea. But nevertheless, they are the first one to be tried under this law in Minnesota. And it carries a jail sentence up to 15 years imprisonment, people. Put in the comment section if you think a Paparazzi Apple is going to get deported. Because you know Jay have him status in America. I'm done go Jamaica where they are when him have this case here. So we know say him good. You know what I mean? But it look like they might dip Apple, cause you know say Trump in the office and them thing there, you see me? Now, just a reminder, you remember, said the whole of the undocumented crew, not the whole of them, but the main players, they're in some RICO-ish, my people, yes, because you know, Babette, they get locked up at Lululemon to a fear husband. You see, I say, for the same charges, retail organized theft. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Me will give an update on that case them in the week. You see, I say. But nevertheless, my people, it's not a good year for the besties. You see, I say, because we see Apple them in some serious thing, 15 years imprisonment. I know Markie him is facing 30 years imprisonment because of real estate fraud. Yeah. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because the Lana I chat up the thing them. Him is talking up the things them up, people. Yeah, so when Markie they get locked up, you know, him post up the story, you see what I say, and him say real estate scam allegedly. Sources told them. You see me, and you know them boy in the same circle as them boy, so them know what go on. And this is why a lot of people think say, oh boy, they snitch on him because they put up him system when she did dash with some girl because, you know, take her man and them thing them. You see me, I say. So now we know what we're dealing with, people. Real estate fraud, which carries a sentence up to 30 years imprisonment. No, I was able to get these eviction things Ono was bringing up and thing. You see me, I say. So let's take a look. Because I think we can rule these things out of why he was on a fugitive watch list. Because, you know, this was from July of 2025, and these are all of his evictions that's popping up. You see me, I say, the same one that we show you before is on this list of 4 evictions. You see me? So when I think I'm nothing with this, you know. Because my life on planet Earth, me never see nobody get locked up for not paying rent. You see me? We see if they don't show up to court, they get like a default judgment against them. And, you know, landlord can, you know, be able to rent his place or her place. And they can put something on your credit to make it bad or lean. And anything you get in the near future. So me are working what Dilana said. You see me, I say real estate fraud. You know what I mean? CPN business documents using people picture and you know documents to buy things. So there's going to be a lot more people arrested because one man can't facilitate all them scam you. So they put in the comment section, who do you think is going to be arrested along with him? Because this is definitely a seal indictment. That's why nothing is popping up. But me just don't want to give them quick update while go on, you see me? Now, it seems like it's chopping season with the Jamaicans then, because they are accusing Kaylan and her moms of being big scammers. People putting out the comment section where you think about that, because no people is trying to cancel Ivany, the old world on TikTok, as you said, this girl in front of you. But before we get into that aspect, Kaylan mom did respond to Ivany them, you know, because you know Ivany did say some things, you know. But like I said, my people, the people them is asking what happened to the 62 million, roughly 500,000 US dollars them they get the first time. You see, I say, and if them never fulfill them goal, why stop? to be, why people, as me say, beggars can't be choosy, you know, and when we're dealing with over 10,000 US dollars, we have to be transparent. So them not make no GoFundMe page this time because them want straight cash up and Zelle because you know GoFundMe want to know what them might do with the money. But anyway, let's hear what Venetia Buckley have to say about Ivany and deal with her daughter. Then we'll proceed to hear what the girl them must say about Ivany, isn't it?
Sky the live?
Misha, she does not speak, Misha. She speaks, but she has no voice. No sound.
Check your co-hosting thing, Kaylan, and tell me.
Danny, you know, go on social media from morning.
No.
I got that problem, Mrs. Smith. Well, maybe I need to go over there before you call name.
That not sound safe.
You know, safe none at all, girl.
Oh, my apologies. Sorry. You people in my comment section.
Hey. Trouble dede, girl. Trouble dede.
Oh, are that one?
All pretty than did have to rub out.
Yeah?
Have to rings and do some funeral, keep some funeral for some people. And black book draft, I go draft and I kind of sit and I go on. I don't know, girl, but anyway, we're moving and keep it moving.
Yeah, that is why I'm the comment section was saying no, anybody they want her to add because that's what
Right.
they do.
A lot of disrespect was hurled at her.
OMG. Miss what is her name? Kimberly, is Miss Triple live? Because y'all telling her to add people, are they live? Remember she just getting to understand the whole app. Alright, Kaylan, tell me if I see Miss Triple live in I co-hosting.
One you say you know like the I give you. So the big streamers are doing it for charity. The small ones they're trying to take what you have. You get what me understand me? Understand me? But go on play. That's what everybody is saying. Say, yeah, I'm listening. You said the thing. Live suck battery because of camera, yes. But you're not supposed to wait till the phone gone down for plug it in. You're supposed to. So that's what they're saying. Me never know when the nuggets them are. Danny, what the nuggets them? Are the nuggets make you wrong? Her wins. Okay. So the nuggets are your wins. So if somebody win you, them are gonna take all of your wins. So them are gonna get the so when they take the 33, they get the 33 wins.
And now let's hear what Ivany has to say in a quick New York minute, and then we hear what the girl have to say about canceling she.
You sit down and platform people. I see you sit down and platform people for New Year's. I'm black all the water about play match with Kaylan. Come suck me, I did beat her and cripple her. What the fuck you know torment me for? What a black? What not torment me for play match with girl for? Me did beat her and cripple her. Every minute you come for my life I tell me for play. Me not playing a match with nobody. I stay in a Mona lane. Oh. No, I know the fuck. I don't want to play no match with no little girl. I not play no match. I'm a black you, so that's not nice. When them a spam me live, I tell them no.
WhatsApp audio.
Me say guys, come up with talk. Me say yesterday I watched one video. I believe I want screen record with Ivany. Like somebody in our chat tell her say she go play a game with Kaylan. Ivany remarks was, Kaylan, the young lady that got jumped by some girl at a party. That young lady that was in a devastation situation. God bless her soul because he really have his hand in her life. Ivany chatter tell her say play one game with Kaylan because Kaylan a try to raise money to get back her speech. So she a try to raise money for her surgery. Ivany remarks was, only top tell me if you add people and play a game with that the girl there. I mean make them beat him and mash him up and do him bad. And I play no game with nobody. Hey, you see when people in the spotlight and they no want to lose it, I saw them going, You're not no art girl. You have a baby and you have a dog and you don't have no art. You don't have no art for nobody else because you don't want to lose in the spotlight. I don't want nobody else get no kind of you alone want get it. Me say when the girl say that, me say, my God, what this world is coming to. This could have happened to anybody because she had the troublemaker till they shoot her at Jamaica. You understand me? And she do things where people could have beat her already because she used to act people page. And you want to tell me, say, that could have leave you up before you say, right now, me not play no game no and so maybe one next time we add her. But you're going to the and people are still support her. Ivany, me love you, but me I tell you the truth. Because when people come out and end you bad, me always come out contact and defend. Me love you, but what you say, God know. You break my heart. Me feel bad when you say that still in a girl and I know me, Me say Jabas I play with her, TJ I play with her. Look people I play with her and attack on them platforms so she can raise the money. Money now come out of your pocket if you go up on and say my team, sensation, you no go give her. You no go over there, go support her. You understand? Send something in her Zelle or cash up her account, whatever. You don't have to be like that, girl. And you talk, maybe you talk and behave like that, but it's not a joke because Frag say what is dead to him. His joke to you is dead to him. Girl, get your acts together. You have you start having kids. And you have to have heart and mind for somebody. That could have happened to anybody. Anybody child. Me have 5 people that could have happened to anyone and I pity them. And when you see this, you can come cuss me and tell me say me head mad and this and that. Because I see me wig and me this take off and me go wash me hair. But girl, I not tell no lie. I don't know what kind of art you know about one alone want to survive and strive. Nobody else have to survive and strive in this world. One alone want to hold like money off of TikTok. And I don't see what I use it do. Because I use it do. Here, spend it unnecessarily. This, that. People give for no then a bizon want with the money. But good God man, the girl wanted something for a reason. Something where I got help her in her life. Because when you can't talk and your voice be heard. You understand me? It's really uncomfortable and she have a trick in her neck and she not really need it no more. She need to take it out. Because of that she rely upon for breed. Girl, you don't have no heart. Get a hold of yourself. Sometimes when you talk some things just for the limelight. But you don't really make it.
Put in the comment section if you agree with what she's saying. All me I say, black people can't cancel nobody because you don't own no apps. You see me? I don't know, couldn't even deal with Rosalie so much less Ivany, but me just giving them quick update while going for that one because I am the messenger, so do the right thing. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in our dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.